utisa ntsako, utisa rirhandzu, utisa dyondzo, utisa mali, utisa yini. Hey, yabo, utisa yini. Hey. Okay, wait, let me get comfortable. Let me take off my shoes and sit nicely. Okay. I know Nati.
Say it with me now. Views and opinions expressed on this channel are not and should not be considered as financial advice. I'm not a certified financial advisor and not registered with the FSCA.
Get comfortable. We're about to speak about money. Welcome back to Chat with Tessa, everyone. It's your favorite Tonga girl. I'm not Rapunzeling today. I'm not a gel gal today. I'm Tessa. Just Tessa. No additives, you know? Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me once again on another financial chat. We did January, February, March, April, and now we're on the fifth one. This is the May investment. What did I do with my money this May? How did I invest my money this May? So, I know, hey, I know. It's a red, it's a Roy, it's, hey, it's a red, ne? But, here's a little analogy for you. Think about it this way, okay? You guys know that other than investing, what is the next best thing that I like? What's my other favorite hobby other than investing? You got it right. Shopping, right? So I go to the mall, okay? I walk in, there's this jacket that I want, and the jacket is maybe 1,000 bucks, right? And I'm like, it's a little expensive. Let me leave this shop, man, and focus on my life. Let me leave this. Then one day I'm at the mall again, and I'm like, I want to just go back to that shop and just look. And then, ta-ta-ta-ta, there are red signs everywhere. Sale, 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 big sale, 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 sale. Hey, I look for my jacket. The jacket is now no longer 1,000. Now it's gone down to 500 rand. What do you think my reaction is going to be? Is it going to be like, yo, I can't go into this shop. All of these red signs. No, I need to leave and then run out. I'm like, it's overwhelming. I'll come back when the prices are high again. The alternative is that I'll look at my jacket, I'll try it on, I'll be like, I am gonna buy this and this and this and this and this. Go and pay and leave and be like, with that 1,000 that I was about to spend that other day, I now got 4 items. Or 5 items. Same thing with the stock market. See your lows like that, okay? So change the way that you see those lows. Here's a company, you've invested in this company, you've done some of your research, you've read up about this company, you are listening to the news and hearing stuff about what's going on in that company as well. And you're like, no, I'm a long-term investor. I'm invested in this company for the long term. And then, how now? Share price is going down. Bam, economical stuff, certain factors affecting the share price of this particular company. And then you're like, I'm selling now. Panic selling. You don't even have a plan per se. You're just like, I'm losing money. Okay. And then later on, when you see us there on Financial Chats _Tessa on Instagram, bragging about how we stuck it out and now we have all this money from this particular company. Our profits, it's green as a pine tree, it's green as an apple, it's green as green beans, it's green as, you know. And then you're gonna tell us that, oh, you're not gonna tell us. It's gonna eat you inside that I know, maybe I shouldn't have sold at that time. I also should have bought more. Okay, so moral of the story, guys, look at your portfolio. Some of the companies that you have in your portfolio are companies that you can add more shares to. buy more shares at a cheaper price. Things are on sale. And that's exactly what I did this May. So in my ZAR account, these are the companies that I invested in, and I'm going to tell you the price that I got them at. So when you also go and invest in them, or whatever company you go and invest in, and scheme through your portfolio and look at where those red apples, and like, okay, do I want to buy a bit more here so that when they become green apples, when they become as tall as a green pine tree and grow, you have more in multiples, and you're like, okay, I'll buy. And just calm down. I know it just looks like a big loss. That negative figure just looks so scary, but just try and set your mind into the mind of a long-term investor. Okay, a long-term investor. In my ZAR account, I added more to Purple Group earlier on in the month, and at that time the share price was R2.69, and then at a later stage in the month I bought more Purple Group again, and the share price was R2.40 something cents. So at least I got it a little more cheaper. I don't want this company personally to be one of those where I'm like, ish, Mara, when it was still R2 something, what was I doing, man? Why didn't I buy more? So I don't want to neglect it. I bought it when it was initially, it was still less than R1, and then now my eyes are popping and seeing other things. I'm like, this a focus. Come back to this baby. Come back to your babies. You know, and focus. Sibanye Stillwater. A lot is going on at Sibanye Stillwater with the strikes, and I don't want to comment about it because I just feel like it's not an area where I would have knowledge or information that I can speak confidently on the topic on. So I'm not going to get into it. So I bought more over there. They were at R47.21. Transaction capital R44.49. Pepcore R19.24. And Capitec, hey, it went down a little bit, and I was like, let me buy myself another share, just one share, at R2,066.26. Yeah, happy are those who bought Capitec shares a long time ago.
I almost forgot to mention Anglo Platinum that I had bought earlier on in the year, and I managed to buy one share for like over 2,000 rand, and thank goodness I got it at much less, and I got another share. Another company is Azaro, and with Azaro, as you can see, my order is still pending until today. It's still pending. I don't know, I don't want to cancel it. All other pending orders went through, but not the Zara one. But I'll hang in there.
And that was about it in my EasyEquities ZAR account. That's what I did with the money. I just focused on those. I didn't add anything new, and I'm glad that I didn't. In the ZAR account, so the JSE, there are companies this month, this May, that paid out a dividend. Confetti, yeah, dividend, yo, confetti, yeah, dividend. We love dividends. We know which companies paid out dividends. At the top of my head, I can remember my Capitec dividend. Dividends are nice, and we got those dividends. Which company dividends did you guys get? Please let us know down below in the comment section. But yeah, dividends are so nice. Now over to the tax-free savings account, right? In my TFSA, like I said this year, that I'm not throwing in that lump sum and then just actually, come to think of it, oh wait, the way my TFSA is doing badly, yo, No, Shem is doing horrible. H for horrible, Shem. No, O for horrible. No, R for horrible. I don't know. It's just horrible. Like, yo. So maybe now would be the best time for me to hoy the rest of the money and allocate. And then, yeah, I'm done. Actually, I just thought about this now as I'm recording this video. So I think I might do that. I think I might. And then just let it be, because it's doing so bad. But anyway, I added to my Satrix capped all share ETF at a time when it was 44 Rand 99 cents. And my it used to be Ashburton, but now you might see them as First Rand ETFs. So I think First Rand or FNB bought Ashburton, and now their ETFs names have changed, right? So I bought the FNB or First Rand mid cap ETF when it was 8 Rand and 80 cents. Just those two ETFs. In my TFSA, I can still add 33,000. So that means that I've only used up 3,000 of my allowance. And what's nice is that on EasyEquities, it actually shows you when you're about to do that inter-account transfer. So I deposit money into my ZAR account and then I do an inter-account transfer to my TFSA. That way, then it also shows me how much I can still put into my TFSA and not make those mistakes where I over invest. And also because I'm not doing it as one big 36,000 lump sum, I'm doing it in bits and drabs. So I need to see that, oh, okay, still safe, still, you know. But I just got that idea and I'm gonna do what it is that I said I'm gonna do. Okay? Confetti to yo, DVD, da confetti. I'm honestly though, the TFSA dividends, I am a sheleni yo, I am my sheleni man, ha. But at least this time around, there were ETFs that gave us some rands, you know, not just cents, you know. So which TFSA dividends from which ETFs did you guys get? I also got some dividends. Some of them I was like, I know, even if you guys didn't give me anything, you know, it would have been okay. And remember to reinvest your dividends. Select it there by profile, account preferences, and set it so that it automatically reinvests your dividends, because the amount is so small. Why? What are you gonna do with it? So, confetti to yo, DVD, and on EasyProperties as well, there were some dividends that were paid out. I received dividends for 2 properties, right? And some of you might have gotten different dividends to mine because you obviously invested in different properties that maybe I didn't invest in. But it's nice to receive a dividend eventually for your investment, right? Nice. Confetti to yeah, DVD, that's and as high risk as it is, I did also go into my VALR account and bought more crypto. I just put more here. Yes, I have my EC10 token, but I also want to have my own individual crypto investment, because I know when the cryptos are skyrocketing, my seeds that I planted, stakula, you know, and I want that XXXX growth, you know. Also the EC10 has serious growth levels when crypto is doing well, but I want to see it in a token and I want to see it individually, you know. So If you are new to VALR and you're about to sign up, look in the description box. You can use my referral code where you will get a nice little bonus that I will also get, and yeah, start investing on VALR. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and that can give us an idea of what you guys want us to discuss. And that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you made it to the end of this video, leave a sunflower emoji in the comment section and I'll know that you got it all the way to the end. Thank you, Cancer. Goodbye. See you on the flip side on Financial Chats _Disa.